Your car guy here. Today we have a 2007 FJ Cruiser. Beautiful, fun little truck that thinks it's got mice in it. It keeps making a nice squeak, squeak, squeak sound whenever it's turned on. If you'll notice and go on the forums, you find out that this is related to the brake booster, the pressurized motor. Now we've got a quick, simple, easy fix to get rid of the annoying noise that just keeps happening without having to spend money, or very, very, very little money, if anything. So dealers will tell you you got to replace the booster, the master cylinder assembly, a very expensive repair. Let me show you what we did real quick. So the accumulator is this nice little thing right up here next to your brake booster. Now what you want to do first is we're going to take that accumulator off, and it simply unscrews using a 17mm socket. But before you open that up, you need to take and pump the brake pedal 10, 20, 30 times. What you're doing is you're relieving the pressure. Otherwise that thing can come off and spray fluid everywhere, which can potentially be dangerous because at high pressure it can even inject under your skin. Then you got blood poisoning, you might lose a limb. So don't do that. Make sure, pump the brake pedal, get the pressure off of it. Then you can take and unscrew this accumulator. Down inside there, when you take it off, there's going to be a plunger sticking up into it with a spring. The spring's only about yay tall, and the plunger that goes up into it. Look at the base of the plunger where it goes down into the assembly below the accumulator, and clean that up. You want to take some real fine sandpaper or valve lapping compound, put it on a nice flat surface, and just clean the head of that. Working in a figure 8 pattern is the smart way to do it. Make sure you clean it really well afterwards to make sure that no grit or debris gets back into your braking system. Then simply put it back together. Now it's important too, there will be an O-ring on the stem of this. Inspect that O-ring, make sure it's in good shape. If there's no cracks, it doesn't look dried out or cut, you can reuse it. If you need a new O-ring, they're real simple to get. It's not like you have to order one from Toyota. It's just get an O-ring that fits, put it back on, screw this back down. Don't over tighten it. You can break things, but you're probably going to want to go about 40 foot-pounds, 30, 40 foot-pounds. Good and tight, but not over tight. And voila, no more squealing. This is your car guy. Don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to the channel.